Hello everyone, how's everyone doing? So now let's go to the cards. Let's see what the day has in store for you. Let go of guilt. What is the guilt that you people are having? Forgive yourself for what you think you've done or not done. Okay. Now I would see this, maybe you feel, I see this as two things. I'm not going by the meaning here, I'm just going by the image here. I feel two things here. You feel guilty that you lost your childhood without any enjoyment. You feel guilty today that wish you could enjoy your childhood like how others had enjoyed. Also, this could be that wish you could live a life the way you want to live, but it is not happening in that way, and that is actually upsetting you more. That why me and why I have not been able to live the way I live. Let go of it. Many of us have had childhood issues. Many of us have had a very bad childhood where we have been not able to enjoy the way we enjoy, but because of clinging on to the past or because of thinking of the past, we cannot stop living our present. So don't do that and just go with the flow. Today, if possible, wear something in green. Dark green or light green is okay, but wear something in green. And when you're going to have your bath, take a little bit of salt and fennel seeds. Fennel seeds is soft. Now powder this fennel seed or even use the whole fennel seeds. Soak the salt and fennel seeds in water. Bring the water to a boil. Strain it, add it to your bathing water and have a bath with it. You will feel refreshed, rejuvenated, and your aura will start getting healed automatically, because you have got up today with a guilt or with a sadness, or when you went to sleep in the night, you went with a sadness. So the card is saying let go of it, and I'm sure that you're going to have a beautiful day ahead. Now the other card which I wanted to pick, now this is another beautiful card, King of Cups. Maybe you should spend some family time, maybe you should give your time to your family, or maybe you will feel that at home people are understanding you and they are actually trying to do something good for you. If not, I think you can also do something good for yourself. It is not necessary that others only have to take care of us. Sometimes self love, self care is the best care. Now let's see what affirmation. Oh, that's a beautiful design, the yantra. Look at this yantra. Start your day by meditating on this yantra today. Okay, look at this yantra for 2 minutes, and then for 2 seconds, not 2 minutes, 2 seconds, and then close your eyes, focus on this yantra, meditate on this yantra, or just look at this yantra through your third eye and absorb the energies inside your third eye, and the day is going to be beautiful. Now let's see the affirmation. Okay, now here, this is actually a mantra. Okay, we will say without a reason nothing happens. So here what you will say, I accept whatever happens in my life today. I repeat, I accept whatever happens in my life today for 11 times, and have a blessed day. I hope you all are resonating with my readings and you all are enjoying the readings. Have a beautiful day ahead. Thank you.